Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study chapter 6, operations on algebraic expressions, and this chapter is of class 8th. Okay, let's look at the first question. We have to add these expressions. First one, 8ab comma minus 5ab comma 3ab minus ab. Now what we have to do, bache? We have to add them. So let's remove a comma and put a plus sign here also, and here also. Why did I add a bracket over here? It's a negative. We can't write two signs together, so we have to separate them with a bracket. Okay, so now let's change the signs in the next line. Bache, it's very important to do the things in maths as step by step, because when you skip a step, you have a high chance to make a silly mistake. You do know the concept, but you can make a silly mistake. Okay, so here 8ab, then plus minus, that is minus, then minus 5ab plus 3ab plus minus minus ab. Okay, here is the rule that plus will be plus minus will be minus, and minus plus will be minus, and minus will be plus. What does it shows? It shows that two things with the same signs always have the same expression, that is plus. It means minus same, plus same, we got plus. Then here different signs, that is plus minus and minus plus, we got the result as negative. Okay, so here now, but look here, what's common here? It's also ab and ab, so their expressions are same. So what you have to do, you have to solve them. So 8a minus 5ab, we got 3ab minus ab, we got 2ab, then the whole answer is 5ab. Okay, let's look at question number 2. 7x comma minus 3x comma 5x comma minus x minus 2x. Here 7x plus, then we have again added the bracket, that is minus 3x plus 5x plus negative, again a bracket, minus x plus again a bracket, minus 2x. Then we got 7x plus minus minus 3x plus 5x plus minus minus x and plus minus minus 2x. Okay, but we are getting into very basic things. Okay, here look, what does x means? How can we solve this expression? But if there is no number written on any variable, okay, x, y, z, anything, it means that the coefficient of that number is 1. Okay, here 7x minus 3x will be 4x plus 5x minus x plus minus minus, so 5 minus 1, it is 4x. 5 is the bigger number that has a positive sign, so we have written a positive sign. Okay, if we were solving like this, 2x and 3x, okay, then your 3 was the bigger number, then we have to use the negative sign of that 3. Okay, so that's why whatever the number is bigger, the sign it contains, we'll be adding it to the solution. Okay, now here 4x plus 4x, that is 8x. Here 2x was not solved, so we copied it, then 2x again copied, 8x minus 2x, it is 6x. Let's look at the third question now. 3a minus 4b plus 4c. Now comma is here after three expressions. Okay, 2a plus 3b minus 8c comma a minus 6b plus c. Okay, now we have to remove the comma sign and put an addition sign. But here 2 is positive, so we need not to put that in bracket. Here before a, we have written a positive sign. Okay, now let's solve this. How will we solve this, bache? Look, it's a, it's b, we can't add them. It's a, it's c, we can't add them. Let's find out the numbers with the same variables. Okay, it's 3a, this 2a, and this a has the same coefficients and variables. Not the coefficients are same, but the variables are same, so we have to add them. 3a written plus 2a and then plus a. Okay, now minus 4b in bracket because it's a negative and we are adding a positive sign. Then 3b here, 6b, that's why in bracket minus 6b. Now let's see 4c written, 8c minus 8c, and then c. Now let's solve this, bache. 3a plus 2a and plus a, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 of this a will be 6a. Then plus minus minus 4b plus 3b plus minus minus 6b plus 4c plus minus minus 8c and then plus c. Let's add. 6a has been already solved. The a variables have been already solved. Let's not touch it. Okay. So 6a minus here plus minus minus. Okay. But how will we solve this, bache? First of all, bache, let's solve the same signs together. This minus 6b has the same size and minus 4b is the same size. So let's add them. Minus minus plus. That's why we are adding them. 6 plus 4, 10. And bache, 6 is the bigger number. It has the negative sign. So I have written minus 10b plus 3b plus 4c and then minus 8c plus c. So 8 minus 1, that is plus minus minus. So that's why 8 minus 1, that is minus 7c. Now 6a minus 10 plus 3. It means plus minus minus. So 10 minus 3, that is 7. 10 is the bigger number. So minus sign. And plus minus minus, again minus. 7 minus 4, that is 3. 7 is the bigger number. So we have written a negative sign. Okay, now let's look at the fourth question. 5x minus 8y plus 2z, comma 3z minus 4y minus 2x, comma 6y minus x minus z and 3x minus 2x minus 3y. Okay, let's remove the commas and put a positive sign here. After 2z plus sign, after 2x a positive sign, and after minus z a positive sign over here. Okay, now let's find out the same variables. 5x, then minus 2x, now minus x and plus 3x. Okay, we have written them together. Now minus 8y minus 4y plus 6y and minus 3y. Then same with z plus 3z minus z minus 2z. Okay, now bache, 5x written as it is. Minus minus plus, so 2 plus 1, 3x. Plus 3x, that is a minus 3x because 2 is a bigger number that has a negative sign. Now here, what have we done? Minus minus plus. So 8 plus 4, it's 15. Minus 15y plus 6y and plus 2z. Why did I write 2z? Bache, look. Here, minus minus plus. So 1 plus 2, it's 3z. So minus 3z and plus 3z has been already cancelled out. What we are left with? We are only left with 2z. That's why. Okay. Now bache, here look. Here also minus 3x and plus 3x has been cancelled out. What we are left with? Minus 5x plus minus minus 15 minus 6, 9. 15 is a bigger number, so a negative sign. And what we are left with? Plus 2z. So this is the answer. Let's look at the fifth question. 6ax minus 2by plus 3cz, comma 6by minus 11ax minus cz and 10cz minus 2ax minus 3by. Now we have to add the positive sign. So we have added a positive sign after this. Now let's solve this with the same variables. Ax, 6ax, then minus 11ax, then minus 2ax, minus 2by plus 6by and then minus 3by plus 3cz minus 6cz and plus cz. Bache, when you are solving a question, while solving it side by side, do upgrade yourself also, because look, in the first few questions I have written a bracket sign after each negative number when I was copying it. Okay, now we have done 3 to 4 examples. This is the fifth question. You must have gotten the hang of the question. Now you need not to put a bracket over there. In your mind you can do that. When we are copying it, there will be a plus sign. This number has a negative sign, so plus minus minus. So directly write minus 11ax. Understood? Now here 6ax, written 6ax minus minus plus, so 11 plus 2 minus 13ax minus 3 minus 2, so minus plus 3 plus 2 minus 5by plus 6by plus 13czy. This 3cz and 10cz we have added, that is 13cz minus cz. Okay, now 6ax minus 13ax, we got plus minus minus 7ax, 13 is the bigger number, so a negative sign. Minus 5by plus 6by. 6 is the bigger number, so of course a positive sign, but plus minus minus, so we have written 6 minus 5, 1. But see, if you want to write, you can write 1 over here. If you need not to write it, it's not compulsory to write 1 over here, okay? You can make an exception. Now, plus minus minus, 13 minus 1, that is plus 12cz. Let's look at the sixth question. 2x cube minus 9x square plus 8, comma 3x square minus 6x minus 5, comma 7x cube minus 10x plus 1 and 3 plus 2x minus 5x square minus 4x cube. Okay, now let's change the sign over here, comma, put a positive sign here, comma, positive sign here and a positive sign over here. Okay, now let's find out the same variables. X cube, x, okay, 2x cube from here, then here 7x cube, then here minus 4x cube and plus 9x minus 9x square plus 3x square plus minus 5x square. Okay, now like this we have written each and every number. Here at last is 8 minus 5 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, let's solve now. Here 7 plus 2, 9x cube minus plus minus minus 4x cube minus 9x square plus 3x square minus 5x square minus 6x minus 10x plus 2x plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so here plus minus minus, so 9 minus 4, it's 5. 9 is the bigger number, so we have a positive sign. Here minus 9 plus 3, what do we get? Plus minus minus, so 9 minus 3 minus 6x square minus 5x square minus plus, so 6x plus 10, sorry, 6 plus 10 is 16 minus 16x plus 2x plus 3 and then 3 plus 1, 4. 5x cube, note this down as it is. Here minus minus plus, so 6 plus 5, 11x square minus 14x, because plus minus minus 16 minus 2, it's 14, and 3 plus 4, 7. So this is your final answer, 5x cube minus 11x minus 14x plus 7. Now let's look at the seventh question. 6p plus 4q minus r plus 3, comma 2r minus 5p minus 6, comma 11q minus 7p plus 2r minus 1 and 2q minus 3r plus 4. Let's change these commas and note them down. And like I said earlier, we have gotten the hang of the equations, so let's skip a step. Okay, we have written, now we have missed a step and written the numbers with the same variables together. Okay, 6p plus minus 5p plus minus 7p plus 4q plus 11q plus 2q plus minus r plus 2r plus 2r plus minus 3r plus 3 plus minus 6 plus minus 1 plus 4. Okay, so 6p plus minus 5p plus minus 7p plus, here we did not change anything, so let's add 4 plus 11, 15q plus 2q plus minus minus r, 2 plus 2, 4r plus minus minus 3r, 3 plus minus 6 plus minus 1 and plus 4. Okay, so 6p minus plus 7 plus 5, 12 minus 12 plus this 15 plus 2, 17q, and here bache this plus minus, so minus 1 plus 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 4 is the bigger number, so plus 3. Here minus 3 is already written, so we have cancelled out plus 3, minus 3 is left. Okay, here plus 3 minus 6. Let's solve the numbers with the same sign first. Minus plus, so 6 plus 1 minus 7 plus 4. Now here it's 6p minus 12p, so 12 is the bigger number, 12 minus 6, 6, negative sign of 12 here, minus 6p plus 17q plus, this was already finished, here 3 plus 4, these bache look, here it's a positive sign, here positive, so 4 plus 3, 7 plus 7 minus 7, that's also cancelled out. What we are left with, minus 6p plus 17q. Now let's look at the question number 8. 4x square minus 7xy plus 4y square minus 3 plus 5 plus 6y square minus 8xy plus x square and 6 minus 2x plus 2x square minus 5y square. Okay, this is your question. So what we have done, we have changed the signs by adding, by removing the commas and putting a plus sign here and all. Now let's find out the same variables. 4x square plus x square plus 2x square minus 7xy plus minus 8xy plus minus 2xy plus 4y square plus 6y square plus minus 5y square, then plus minus 3 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, now for 4x square plus 3x square plus minus 7xy plus minus 8xy minus 2xy plus 4y square plus 6y square minus 5y square minus 3 plus 5 and plus 6. Okay, so this 4 plus 3 is 7, that's why 7x square, then 7 and 8 plus 7 it's 15 minus 15xy minus 2xy plus 4 plus 6 10 plus 6y plus 10y square minus 5y square, here minus 3 and plus 5 plus 6 11, so plus 11, then 7 square as it is, minus minus plus, so 15 plus 2 minus 17xy. Okay, then 10y square minus 5y square is 5y square plus 3 minus 11 is 8. 11 is a bigger number, so positive sign. So this is the answer. 7x square minus 17xy plus 5y square plus 8. Let's move on to the 9th question. This is 3a square b from minus 5a square b. Bache, look carefully. This question is not of addition. This question is of subtraction. Okay. So what do we know? We know that whenever the number written after from, that number you have to write that number first and then the previous one. Okay, so how will I write? I'll write minus 5a square b. Then this sign is not the symbol of this number, this sign is the symbol of subtraction. Okay, so minus 5a square b minus 3a square b. Okay, a square b same, so minus minus plus 5 plus 3 8, bigger number is 5, so the sign is minus 8 square b. 10th one, 8 minus 8pq from 6pq, written 6pq. This is a sign of subtraction, but this number also has a negative sign, so I have written that in bracket. Okay, so minus minus plus 6pq plus 8pq, that is 14pq. 11th one, minus 2abc from minus 8abc. Again we have to write this number first, minus 8abc minus, this is also negative, so that is in bracket minus 2abc minus 8abc minus minus plus 2abc. Here abc same to same, so plus minus minus 8 minus 2 6 minus 6abc. Okay, move on to the 12th one, minus 16p from minus 11p. Now here bache, minus 11p written first, this is a sign of subtraction. This also have a negative sign, so in bracket minus 16p minus 11p minus minus plus plus 16p. Here plus minus minus, so 16 minus 11 it's 5. The bigger number is 16, it has a positive sign, so I have written it as a positive number. Okay, now 13th one. Look at the 13th question very carefully. It's 2a minus 5b plus 2c minus 9 from 3a minus 4b minus c plus 6. Here what's happening bache? Look, this number has many variables like 3a minus 4b plus minus 6, and this without any variable. It's a single coefficient. Okay, now first of all we know that we have to write this whole equation first, 3a minus 4b minus 6 plus 6. Now a negative sign of subtraction. Then bache, be very carefully. It doesn't matter whether your number is positive or negative. If there are many variables in a subtraction and you are subtracting it, even if it's positive, you have to put that in bracket. Okay, do not forget this concept. Why? Because when we subtract, after opening the brackets, these all the signs of these numericals in the brackets gets changed. Like how? This will not be affected as it is 3a minus 4b minus c plus 6. Okay. Now bache, this number is in positive, so here it will be minus 2a. Positive changed into negative. Here minus 5b changed into plus 5b plus 2c minus 2c minus 9 plus 9. 3a minus 2a. The same variable minus 4b from here plus 5b minus c minus 2c plus 6 plus 9. Now 3a minus 2a, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, you can write 1, you need not to write 1. Okay, it's not compulsory. Now bigger number is 3, positive, so it's also positive. Minus 4b plus 5b, plus minus minus, 5 minus 4, again 1, 5 is the bigger number, so this is also positive. Minus c, minus 2c, minus minus plus, so 2 plus 1, 3, minus 3c because 2 is the bigger number and has a sign negative. Plus 6 plus 9, that is 15. So what's our answer? A plus b minus 3c plus 15. Let's talk about question number 14. Minus 6p plus q plus 3r plus 8 from p minus 2q minus 5r minus 8. Then let's write this whole equation first. P minus 2q minus 5r minus 8 minus sign. And then bache, I told you, you have to put the bracket before writing the next equation. That is minus 6p plus q plus 3r plus 8. Okay, then bracket close. This will be copied as it is. Now you have to open this bracket. It's in minus, so your sign will be changed into positive. Here positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, now write the numbers with the same variables together. P plus 6p minus 2q minus q minus 5r minus 3r minus 8 minus 8. Okay, P 1 plus 6, 7p, both are positive, so it's positive. Minus 2q minus q, it's minus 3q. Why? Minus minus plus 2 plus 1, 3. Then minus 5r minus 3r, minus minus plus 5 plus 3, 8r. Bigger number is 5 minus, so minus. Minus minus plus 8 plus 8, 16. Bigger number, both the numbers are same but both have also negative sign. So it's minus 16. Okay. 15th question. X cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 4 from 3x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 4. This number first, then the second equation, that too in a bracket. This number without any effect, without any changes, will be copied. Here, this number signs will be changed. Positive to negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative. Now, numbers with the same variables together. X cube, minus x square, minus 3x square, plus 2x, plus 5x, minus 4, minus 4. Now, let's solve it. 3 minus 1, 2. X cube, because it's a positive number, because 3 is the bigger number, that is positive. Minus minus plus 1 plus 3, 4. 3 is the bigger number, negative, so it's also negative. 2x plus 5x, 7x. 5 is a positive number, so this is also positive. Minus minus 4, minus minus plus, so 4 plus 4, 8. That's your answer to the 15th question. Now let's move on to the 16th one. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 3 plus 2y square plus y minus 1 from 4y to the power 4 minus 2y to the power 3 minus 6y to the power 2 minus y plus 5. Okay. Now bache, again this number first, this whole equation, and this second, you have to put this whole equation in a bracket sign. Copy this equation as it is. Change the signs. Positive to negative, negative to positive, positive to negative, positive to negative, and negative to positive. Okay. Then write the numbers with the same variables together. 4y to the power 4 minus 5y to the power 4 minus 2y cube plus 3y cube minus 6y square minus 2y square minus y plus 5 plus 1. Okay. Now look, plus minus minus, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay. 5 is a bigger number, negative sign, so this is also negative. 2y cube, here plus minus minus, 3 minus 2, again 1, but 3 is positive, so it's plus y cube. Here minus minus plus, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 is a bigger number with negative sign, so it's also negative. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1, 2. Both the numbers have negative sign, so it's also negative. Plus 5 plus 1, 6. So it's plus 6. That's your answer. Move on to the 17th question then. 4p square plus 5q square minus 6r square plus 7 from 3p square minus 4q square minus 5r square minus 6. So here again this equation first, then this equation with the bracket. Do not forget the brackets, bache. 3p square minus 4q square minus 5r square minus 6 as it is. Now the signs are changed. Plus to minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus to minus. Okay. Numbers with the same variables together. 3p square minus 4p square minus 4q square minus 5q square minus 5r square plus 6r square minus 6 minus 7. Now plus minus minus, so 3 minus 4 minus 3, 3. 4 is a bigger 4 minus 3, 1. 4 is a bigger number, so it's 1. Now 4 is the bigger number, so it's negative. 4q square minus 5q square plus minus plus, so 5 plus 4, 9. 5 is the bigger number, so negative sign. Then 5r square plus 6r square plus minus, so 6 minus 5, 1. 6 is the bigger number, so plus r square. Then minus plus, so 6 plus 7, it's 17. That too with a negative sign. Let's talk about question number 18. What must be subtracted from this number 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1 to get 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1? Now, what does this equation mean? That what should I subtract from this number? Okay, it means suppose I have written a number, this equation. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, and I should think of a number to subtract from it. So what does it mean? I have to subtract 1 minus an equation that is 2, and this will be the result after subtraction. So what does it mean? It means that when I subtract equation 1 minus equation 2, I will get equation number 3. So how will I get equation number how will I calculate this second equation? What is the value of the second equation? I will shift this first equation to this side. Here this first equation sign is positive, so when it will shift, this will be negative. Okay, so like that we have written the first equation, that is 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1. Okay, now what did we do? We have shifted this first equation to this side. So what happened now? Minus this in bracket 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1. Okay, now let's solve it. First of all, let's solve this bracket. After opening this bracket, the signs will be changed because it's subtraction. Plus into minus, minus into plus, minus plus, plus and minus. Now let's write the variables together. A square, 3a square minus 4a square minus 6ab plus 7ab minus 3b square plus 4b square minus 1 minus 1. Now plus minus, so 4 minus 3, 1. 4 is a bigger number, so a negative sign. Minus 6ab plus 7ab, 7ab plus minus, so 7 minus 6, 1. 7 is a bigger number, so positive sign, it's also positive. Now minus 3b square plus 4b square plus minus again, then 4 minus 3, 1 b square, because 4 is a positive number. Minus plus, so 1 plus 1, 2, negative sign, minus 2. Okay, understood this question? Let's move on to the 19th question. The question is the two adjacent sides. Question number 19. The two adjacent sides of a rectangle are 5x square minus 3y square and x square plus 2xy. Find the perimeter. First of all, what's the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? Suppose this is a rectangle field. Okay, I have to find the perimeter. What does word perimeter means? It means you have to calculate the boundary of this figure. Okay, now tell me what's the formula for the perimeter? That is 2. length plus breadth, okay? And it's given in the question that the length is this and the breadth is this. So you have to write that in the statement. But in word problem equations, the statement is very important. So length of a rectangle is 5x square minus 3y square. Breadth of a rectangle is x square plus 2xy. Now let's put the values in the formula. Perimeter is equals to 2, length plus breadth 2. Length 5x square minus 3y square plus x, breadth plus x square plus 2xy, okay? Now the variables, these are same and this is same. So written together, this is same and this is same, so written together in the bracket inside only. We did not open the bracket till now, okay? Now here 2, then 5 plus 1, 6x square minus 3 plus 2, it's plus 2xy, okay? Because we can't add them. This number is different and this number is different. So these variables are different. So we can't add them. So we have written plus x 2xy and minus 3y square. Now we have to open the bracket. So what do we do now? We multiplied 2. Look here carefully. We multiplied 2 with 6 first. Okay? But we can't add different variables together. But we can multiply any number with any variable, okay? So it doesn't matter that the 2 doesn't have x square. You can do that. Now 2 6 are 12. This x square written together. Plus, then now with this 2 2s are 4 xy. Then 2 with this 2 3s are 6. Negative sign minus 6y square. Okay? Now let's look at question number 20. The perimeter of a triangle is 6p square minus 4p plus 9, and two of its sides are p square minus 2p plus 1 and 3p square minus 5p plus 3. Find the third side of the triangle. Bache, what do we know? Like this. If this is a triangle, I have to calculate this perimeter, the boundary of a triangular thing. Then what happens? The formula is sum of two sides, okay? This is the formula to calculate the perimeter. So we have given this side, we have given this side. We have to find out the third side. So how will I do, bache? I will write like this. 1 plus second side plus third side is equals to perimeter. So here they have already given me the first and the second side. That is p square minus 2p plus 1 and 3p square minus 5p plus 3. So I have already written sum of two sides is this with the plus sign, okay? Then we add 3p square plus p square. So 3 plus 1, 4p square. 5p with 2p. Minus minus plus. So 5 plus 2, 7. 5 is a bigger number, so negative sign. Then plus 3 plus 1, so plus 4. We got the sum of two sides, okay? So we got the answer of this here. Now, we already know the perimeter. It's given in the question that perimeter of a triangle is 6p square minus 4p plus 9. How will I calculate this third side? We have already added these two numbers. This is in positive. So when I will shift this number to here, from, but look, this is on the left hand side, so we call it as LHS. This is on right hand side, so we call it as RHS, okay? So we are shifting the sum of two sides from LHS to RHS, okay? So here P, the perimeter, write it down, 6p square minus 4p plus 9. Then the shifted sum, that is this, in bracket, 4p square minus 7p plus 4. Let's change the sign, that is plus 4p into minus 4p plus minus 7p into plus 7p and plus 4 into minus 4, okay? Now here p square plus minus minus, so 6 minus 4, 2p square, minus plus minus minus, 7 minus 4, 3, 7 is a bigger number, so positive, plus minus minus, 9 minus 4, that is 5. If you want more questions from this chapter, do comment in the comment box that you liked my explanation, you got the concept that I explained. And thank you everyone for watching my video till the end. Do subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.